How to turn off or on storage permission on Amazon Clinic on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open Amazon Clinic and then click the three lines here and then click settings. Now click permissions and then scroll down, wait for it. Now scroll down and here we'll find it storage, and here we'll find Amazon Clinic. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.